Hi guys,
welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Welcome. You guys are seeing this on Christmas Day, so on behalf of Nats and I, we want to take a second out of our busy day to say Merry Christmas. Hope you guys are having a happy holiday with your family and friends and loved ones, and we just want to say thank you for the love, and we are saying all the goodness, the greetings that the season has to offer. Malika is just scrolling gradually in the background. It's Christmas Eve. Malia is at day home. We're going on the road to show you guys what Christmas is looking like here in Grande Prairie. It's a lot different than in Jamaica.
Yes, it is.
Let us know in the comment section what Christmas is looking like for you in your home country. Or do you guys celebrate Christmas? What is it looking like, right? And we also want to say, as we go into a new year, Happy New Year. And we are sending nothing but goodness, positive energy, your direction, your way, and it's all the goodness the world has to offer. Now, if this is your first Christmas in Canada, what was your first Christmas in Canada like?
It was low key.
Very low key. Your first Christmas is not usually gonna be a Christmas, and that's just how it is usually. And we're just trying to send strength to all the persons who are missing home right now, missing their family, missing their friends, missing the celebrations that they have become accustomed to. And we just want to remind you guys that, you know, you moved to Canada for a reason. And let your end goal be your motivation throughout the season. And we are sending strength in your direction, right? So we're going on the road right now, taking you guys with us. Taking you guys with us to show you guys what Christmas Eve is looking like here in Grande Prairie, Alberta. We're going to Dollar Store. We're going to Costco, we're going to Walmart, and a number of different places. You guys are going to have to stick around to see where we're going. But before you guys leave, take a second to do what?
Hit that like and subscribe button. Like and share the video.
And comment. Let's end the year on a high. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Come along, guys, as we show you guys what Christmas Eve is looking like in Grande. Sausage wrap as well, please.
Farmer sausage wrap?
Yes.
Did you say no sauce?
No, French vanilla and a farmer sausage wrap.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Drive-thru is busy. Everybody wants coffee this morning. Good old Tim Hortons.
Hi.
Hello. French vanilla.
The guy in the front pay the bill.
I'm sorry?
The
The guy in the front pay my bill. That's crazy. Should I pay it forward too? That's crazy. So the guy in the front paid for your coffee, paying it forward. So it depends on the bill of the person behind us. Because if it's more than $9, I'm sorry, we're not paying for it. Cause this is $9 and we are broke at the moment. The guy behind us, what's his bill?
It's $55.90.
Holy moly! Next time.
It would be nice though, but I don't have $50.
$57. So if you guys are a little bit confused about what just happened, is the person in front of us paid it forward, which is a really nice gesture. Why is my lip so white? It's so cold. Anyways, they paid it forward, so we got our things for free, which is good. We wanted to also pay it forward, although this is probably just we getting back reward from always paying it forward. But we wanted to pay it forward as well. But the guy behind us, his bill is $55. I'm sorry. But that's too high for us right now. That's a good way to start the morning. That's a fantastic. If you're watching this video and you are at the Cobblestone Tim's and you paid it forward, we are the ones you paid it forward too. So thank you. Well, not we, she. Well, me, because I had the card. But Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. And thank you.
Between today or the rest of the year, pay it forward if we can.
Absolutely. Yeah. But we're always paying it forward.
Always, but
yeah. But this was a good gesture. It's the first time we're getting it back.
Yes.
So that's good. Come along, guys. We're going to where first? Dollar Store, Costco, or Walmart first?
We're stopping downtown first because...
We're stopping downtown first?
Yes.
Where are we stopping? Yes, guys. So the time is now 5 minutes to 11 in the morning on Christmas Eve. And we are downtown Grande Prairie, and as you can see, there's almost no traffic. So I know that this is like a vast contrast to what it is like right now, especially in Jamaica.
Traffic.
Jamaica right now, I know, must be like bumper to bumper. And being nice and chaos and Grand Market tonight and
And then we have Christmas Day, it's like a calm on the road. It's like, oh, no traffic at all.
yeah.
So,
Where's the Grand Market tonight?
I got instead.
We're going to Linstead, we're going up by Evergreen. It's crazy, guys. Like, first on our list is Dollarama. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a long while. Wonder if they have anything new.
Where's Dollar Tree?
Dollar Tree is the one beside Old Navy.
Oh, yeah.
So this is one of the things about the culture here is, guys, like growing up, I don't know what it is like for Santa to visit me. Never usually grew up getting like Christmas gifts and stuff like that. And if you do get gifts, it's just like a little gift, not wrapped or anything. It's just like, you never get nothing? Poor thing. So here is a culture of gift. So we're actually gonna buy a gift for we have already bought Malika and Malia's gift and bought Nat's gift already, and all of those have been wrapped and stuff. So they're a lot more privileged than us. But we have a gift to buy for Malia's day home provider, Auntie Jean. It's just a culture, right? You have to give everybody in your circles a little something. We gave Malika teacher something already, and our EAs and all of that. What about that Dilka doll something, you know? You're not fear. What are these?
Like once.
Oh, Malia, I like this.
Love it. Yeah,
Yeah. Why not one for Malia, one for Zuri? Pick up one for Malika because
Do you want one? Want it?
the light up. Strip dry. Malika like the stuff is because the one at the church.
Way bigger.
Yeah. Huh? Other spots in the store? Definitely need some of these containers. The baking things that I want in the basket the other day, we get like baking tray in it. Like how much? We don't need to, so we can bake the cake in that then.
Yeah, we have like 2 round ones. Yeah, 2 round ones and another one like we have
Okay.
we have 2.
Okay.
We have baking prices.
Okay. Yeah. As usual, guys, we're cooking Christmas dinner, inviting over friends and family, so we need some containers. These are disposable, so we always have to buy them and dispose them after. So I picked up 6 of these. You want the smaller ones too? No, we don't have any. How much is this? 3. Gift bags. Oh, we can. I said, yeah. So we're gonna get like a bottle of wine and that's okay. That's better. You put everything in a one. Okay, let's take that one then. Okay.
Oh, the way,
What the way, Malika?
Come on, girl. Thank you.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Shaped like a shellfish. Come, baby. $4. My price, price on the button. $3. Yeah. Okay, kitchen cloths. What's that?
Kitchen towels. So we need regular stuff, yeah?
Hey guys, so we've been driving around dropping off Christmas gifts. We have 2 more to go. One is for Malia's day home and the other one is for some other persons who dropped off some gifts already. We're now on our way to Costco. It's been a busy morning so far. After Costco, then we're gonna probably go to No Frills and then, you know, we don't know where else. If you guys haven't already subscribe to our channel, smash a like on the video, and of course let us know what Christmas Eve is like in your country. Look at this mud, snow is not always beautiful, guys. It's not the thing that you see on the TV. Look at this. It's not always the TV version where it's nice and fluffy and roll and you make snowmans. Sometimes you have mess and puddle. Grab one of these carts. Malika, do you want to go in? Want to go into the cart? Want to go in the cart?
Hey, you want to go in?
Or is just a TV on that? So Costco is actually not very busy today. We thought that Costco would have been swamped, but it's pretty empty. For what juicer? We need bread. Cause we didn't pick up any bread the other day. And the nice bread around there. I'm actually really surprised at how empty it is in here today.
Go, pick it up.
You want that bread as well? Okay. Yeah, we need chicken. If they have the bag of 3, we're gonna take up 2 bags. Much better than one for 20 to 24.
What do you got?
Yeah, 2 bags. Definitely the avocado. And we need asparagus. Oh, we need pineapple. Because I want to know my cart gone, you know. Give me a rag? Yeah. Malika's new favorite thing. The resale food is nice, mama. Resale food is nice. That's a really big bag, Malika. Put it in the cart. Malika start eating Doritos now and she realized it's nice, so it's our new favorite thing. But that's a gigantic bag, Malika. Man. Yeah. You want soy sauce, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we need juice. Come, mama. And water. Juice of chicken. Push in the cart, mama.
Okay, I will.
Okay. Now, what else? We have eggs already.
Mm-hmm.
What else I say needed to be? We can't get another thing here. Okay. I think this is good. We don't think we need anything else.
No.
No. Okay.
You want Malika? That's the only character?
Yeah.
Or the only character seen there?
Yeah.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
Not bad. You guys have any boxes? Yeah, we'll take whatever we get, we'll take.
Your card. Okay, let's say. Stop, come. Malika? Thank you. Merry Christmas to you. What happened?
Just twice. Come on, so there's no way.
What? The trash
There's
bag.
no way this is going Hear them ring, soon it will be Christmas Day. Soon it will. Hello. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Alright guys, we have one more stop to make. We are now at No Frills. Gonna go in No Frills, not to grab anything much, but we need some seasoning. Like jerk seasoning, Jamaica jerk seasoning, onion powder, etc. Slow down. Fuck there. Let's go fast about drive. And of course some pita, sure. Some mess. looking for a reason. Hello. We're good. How are you? I don't think we have met the little one yet. We met her once? Eris? Hi. Say hi, Malika. This is Malika. Good job, baby. Nice to see you. Merry Christmas.
What we're getting from here, you say?
I did pita shore firstly. And just seasoning jerky sauce, onion powder, paprika.
Yes, no chocolate.
No chocolate. Take up 2 vanilla. She'll survive. Sorry. Come on, Malika. Yeah, let's take some cloves. And some cloves. This is what stuffing. We need onion powder and paprika. Alright, it's the paprika right here.
Paprika. Onion powder as well. Minced onion.
Okay. And jerk sauce.
Like a small bag, but they don't have any.
One small bag. What's that? What's that right there?
These are
Pureed raisins.
shake it up. You have one more stop.
Alright guys, so now in a different supermarket. I'm now in Fresco. Fresco is the busiest supermarket we've been to so far. It's pretty busy today because I hardly got parking. But I'm only here to grab some Walkers with jerk sauce. And then we'll take it from there. This, one of this. With our pickled pepper, coconut milk. This is what we call a little Jamaican section, you know? Got a little. For sure. Good old tinners, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna grab 3 of these mackerel right now. I'm gonna grab 3 of these right now. Yeah guys, I only came in here with the intention to grab the jerk sauce, but can't pass up on the mackerel. Not at all. Shirley biscuit, $1.17. Ovaltine or sausage. Not bad. Tropical rhythm. $2.47. Good old cream crackers. Peanut punch. Ting. Usually I would have be buying all of these things, but I am on a almost no juice, no sugar kind of diet right now, so I have to just eat and leave it alone. Right, so we are home and we got a lovely surprise.
We got egg pie.
Egg pie. For the who comes? Eva and Joshly. Okay, take your picture, Joshly. Yeah,
See you guys.
absolutely.
Have fun and just
Merry
See you guys in the
Christmas.
gym. See you guys in the gym.
Yes, yes, Eva.
after holiday.
My gym is in front of the table.
No.
Molly, you helping mommy to bake? Mommy is blending a raisin. All of the cake mix, so everybody knows it's not from scratch.
This one. Thank you, Miss Ruler. Here, go. Press it now.
Yeah, guys, and we have some meat that we season already.
Now you're talking about
Say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Which parts?
wash out
Wash on what?
and grease.
Or wash on flour? Which one?
Wash and grease and wash and flour. Can you get more flour?
What's up on the box?
Grease. Grease and flour. So, you're right.
Malika, what you looking for? What are you looking for, baby? What are you looking for? No, say Merry Christmas first. No? It's not every day they get to see the kitchen now.
I don't want no spotlight.
Show everybody that you know to crack egg.
I don't want no spotlight.
Let me see what come out of the box. Let's mix them together.
The empty is in there.
Okay. It says to add butter as well, butter and milk.
Listen, empty packet in gold and butter and egg.
Butter and egg, I meant.
So that's about milk.
In a pear tree.